Sanibonani bafowethu, namhlanje iMonday and ngize nenye update about iMadlanga Commission. Now namhlanje uzokhumbula ukuthi we're expecting ukuthi sibe no Andrea Johnson ongumphathi weIDEC, abashushisi nje abazimele bebodwa abasungulwa ngo-2024 by uPresident Ramaphosa after elalele uZondo ukuthi makenze njani. So now that ke bekuney'nsolo against yena, namhlanje bekulindele ukuthi makabe khona ke azoziphendulela. So iyalungisa ke iMadlanga Commission namhlanje ukuthi uzoba khona, kwapreparishwa yonke into, but ekuseni ke before behlale bathola imessage esuka from ama-lawyer kushuthi afonelwe i-bodyguard ka-Andrea Johnson, and yaveza ki-bodyguard ukuthi akekho right, uye kwa-doctor instead. So ngokomthetho awukwazi ukuthi umuntu ungamforsta ukuthi makeze azotestify even though eseshilo ukuthi akekho right. So iMadlanga Commission was forced ke ukuthi ibhekane nalokho ke. Then i-evidence leader uzobabona nje abesifazane abathanda ukuma ngapha ubuso bubodwa nje, ibona babuza questions kakhulu and then bencediswe iMadlanga. Yibo ke esibabiza ukuthi ama-evidence leader because yibo abaphenyayo abafuna ukubuza i-questions ezivula ubufakazi so that sikwazi ukuthola kahle ukuthi phamba kanjani. So bacela le 5 minutes wabanika kuMadlanga. Kule 5 minutes ke kusho ukuthi ama-lawyer kabe sababonisa ke i-certificate ka-doctor eshoyo ukuthi uyagula ngempela lo muntu in. So kwase kuyabuywa ke wayithatha ke wayihambisa kuMadlanga kuMadlanga lapha phambili. uMadlanga uthe makayibuka akazange abe umuntu ohappy because ukuvezela ukuthi akayithandi la certificate indlela engayo. Uzokhumbula ukuthi lama certificate abawasubmitayo afana nalama certificate esuke siwathole eKasi, ukuyibona le certificate encane evele isho ukuthi awukho right kusukela amalanga angakuthi amalanga angaka uzobe ungekho emsebenzini. So uMadlanga Commission uMadlanga kudala iveza lento ukuthi akayithandi ke le certificate because asivezi iqiniso ukuthi yini inkinga, so that sazi ukuthi umuntu uphethwe yini ngempela le engamenza angakwazi ukuvela kwi-commission. Sometimes kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu uphethwe ikhanda, uyinyawo nje into engaphela within the day kodwa. So kuye kube better ukwazi ukuthi udila nani, i-witness yakho iphethwe yini, so that sazi ukuthi nathi eziMadlanga Commission sikwazi ukuplana kahle ukuthi yini esingayenza. So ukuvezile kuMadlanga ukuthi akekho happy kakhulu with yonke lento leyo ukuthi kube khona leso simo leso. So ngifuna nje ukufaka ivideo la nizilalelele nimuze uMadlanga eveza ukuthi akekho happy with lama signal lawa awatholayo. But ke ngokuyisensa kwami ngibona ngathi ungumuntu ozoyi-challenge at some point lento yama-signal angasho ukuthi kwenzakalana. I'm sure kuma-recommendations akho uzoyibhala asho ukuthi ingase i-signal ukuthi isho ukuthi umuntu bekanani. Ngicela nje sike siyibukele.
Thank you. I noticed that this is one of those medical certificates, the nature of which I've previously said are useless in the sense that they give no information whatsoever. It's not even a case of what Mr. Bodlani said, which is confidentiality issues. It's just one of those useless so-called medical certificates.
Indeed, Chair.
But anyway, the bottom line is that Advocate Johnson is not here.
Indeed.
So from the video you can tell ukuthi uMadlanga ayekho happy, but ukungabi happy kwakhe iloko esingathi ku-professional, akuvezi ngathi manje umuntu ongakwazi ukulawula imizwa yakhe. So and another thing is that iMadlanga ikuvezile ukuthi ayizokwazi ukwenza njengoba yenzile na ku-General Khan, because uGeneral Khan uzokhumbula ukuthi uke wanikwa naye ithuba lokuthi as much as asesibhedlela but mayiqhubeke into enaye phakathi. So abakwazi ukuqhubeka kule case because eka-General Khan into ibinobufakazi obuningi, bekunama-screenshots kunanani, so bebekwazi ukuthi beqhubeke bebuze ngalama-screenshots, bephendule-ke labaphendula khona ama-lawyer akhe. La bengakwazi ukuphendula khona-ke lamaphathi ashiyelwe yena uGeneral Khan mayesevukile, and then uzobe saya kuMadlanga Commission akwazi ukuyoziphendulela. But with Miss Andrea Johnson akazokwazi ukuthi kufundwe istatement sakhe, because uzokhumbula iMadlanga Commission ibimthumelele ama-questions ukuthi awaphendule ngokubhala phansi. So ama-questions asevele khona, ama-witness asekhulumile. So this time around bekudingeka yena uqobo lwakho ukuthi kube uyena okhulumayo asho ukuthi kwenzakalani kanje. So ukungabi khona kwakhe kwenza ucommission ukuthi ikhathe off ke iphinde iqhubeke kusasa.
But a way in which you could explain, perhaps for the benefit of the public, because the public may be wanting to know why are they not proceeding in the same way they did with Mr. Mike van Wyk, the same way we did with General Khan.
Yes, Chair.
Why not in this instance? But as I say, I think I know why. In fact, it's not even thinking, I know why.
Thank you, Chair. I was going to address the commissioners on that, to say that we do appreciate that the Commission is operating under exceptionally tight timelines, and we considered the possibility of, quote-unquote, saving the day so that the Commission sitting doesn't collapse entirely today. We considered that as an option, but ever so fleetingly, because the nature of Advocate Johnson's testimony does not lend itself to that kind of approach. The examples that the Chair has provided all relate to WhatsApp messages that are written, have been provided to the witness, and on the basis of which the witness would be asked questions and the witness would respond. So that allowed the evidence leaders to place that material on record without the witness, reserving, of course, the witness's right to come back at a later stage and respond thereto.
Also with the evidence leaders drawing inferences as they went along.
Yes.
On what they make of the chats.
Indeed.
Yeah.
What I have are two statements, a statement and a supplementary statement from Advocate Johnson, both of which are narrative in nature. I don't have WhatsApp messages to engage or to share with the commissioners, and the only option would be to read her statements into record. But her statements are responding already to questions already posed. So at best, it would require me to go find the question and then read for you what she says, where she can sit in the witness box and give the narrative as she has set it out in her papers. So I would argue, Chair, that the nature...
And that would not serve much purpose. Indeed. Because we would want to engage her or probe her on the narrative that she gives. So it just would not work. Yeah.
Especially because I'm sure as the commissioners have prepared on the basis of the very statements. So to have the statements read back to you that you've already applied your minds to without the ability to engage, because you can engage me on them, I think wouldn't serve much of a purpose.
Uzokhumbula ukuthi even ne-EFF yakuyamncoma uAndrea Johnson yatwenza umsebenzi oncomekayo, usefana noWinnie Mandela, bebecabanga ukuthi uWinnie Mandela sekashona, but kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi uphinde waziveza uWinnie Mandela through Andrea Johnson. So ngeke sazi ukuthi iEFF beyikhulumiswa yini le nto leyo, because kuyabonakala manje ukuthi cha umama akekho innocent. Ama-charges mina engiwabalile nje engiwabhale phansi awu-7 la bema-accuser khona. I-charge yokuqala u-accuselwa ukuthi walikha i-information ebalulekile to General Khan. Akumelanga ukuthi ungumsolwa uphinde uthole i-case or ufumane information about i-case yakho ingakaqala i-case, kwakusa-investigatwa. Then uAndrea Johnson washare leyo information ye-investigation ukuthi kuphi ne-information ye-dockets yonke la bese ngeke ngayi-explaina kwenye video ekhona la ku-YouTube wami. Number 2, kusola nokuthi kwenye investigation e-different nakhona kwindaba kaKhan waphinde wa-interferisha naleyo investigation. I-investigation uzokhumbula ukuthi kumele kube into ezimele, into engafaka umuntu ongahlomula kuleyo nto leyo, umuntu ozwana nomuntu olaphana okuleyo investigation. But in this case, Andrea Johnson as umshushiso omkhulu kwatholakala ukuthi akawazanga ukuhlukanisa i-relationship anayo noKhan with the investigation, so wa-interfere le investigation engaphumeleli against uKhan, so ngaleyo ndlela wayemsave uKhan. Number 3, waphinde wancedisa uKhan ukuthi angayi kwi-prosecution, angabi prosecuted. So usually when kwenziwa investigation, after investigation kumele bese kuba khona ke oboshwayo, so kwakumele kuboshwe uKhan, and makumele kuboshwe uKhan uyena umuntu senior prosecutor, umshushisi omkhulu, so kwakungeke kukwazi ukuthi amshushise because ngathi bayazwana. So naleyo nto leyo kusho ukuthi wamprotecta uKhan from ekutheni ashushiswe. Now number 5 engiyibhale phansi is that wahluleka ukuthi a-acte njengomshushisi ozimelo independent ongachemile, but kulokhu wathatha iside likaKhan. But uma ungumshushisi awulithatha iside lomuntu, instead uthatha iside lobulungiswa ukuthi ubulungiswa bungakuphi. So if ubulungiswa abukho ngakuKhan ukwazi ke wena bese uthatha iside. So kuthiwa ke wahluleka uku-acta impartially or wafavorisha someone instead of ukuthi abe independent angathathi iside lomuntu. Then number 5 engiyibhalela phansi ukuthi wa-acta ngendlela engekho right with uKhan. Bengibhalele lapha ukuthi allegations that she had a contact or interaction with uKhan that were inconsistent with the expected independence of a prosecutor or prosecutor handling the matter. So lento ukuthi une-relationship private with uKhan yambeka kwi-disadvantage because awukwazi ukuthi ungathi une-case on about uKhan but sikubone uzipholele noKhan mhlambe e-restaurant niyiphuzela amatiya or nani. Imosha i-investigation leyo nto leyo, iyenza i-investigation ibukeka iyimbi. So number 6 wethu ke yena is that wa-undermine i-integrity or isithunzi so sengalo yomthetho. The fact that wayelontuza waye-compromise ama-investigation engenelela enzela ukuthi uKhan angabanjwa, enzela ukuthi uKhan anga-investigatwa. Leyo nto leyo kusho ukuthi waqeda isithunzi sale company ayisebenzela because ukusukela manje ukuya phambili abantu abaningi ngeke basayithemba i-IDEC, ngeke besabathemba abashushisi because isithunzi sabo sesidicilelwe phansi. Kufana nabafundisi emasontweni, sekancane abafundisi bathenjwe because kunabafundisi abalimaze i-integrity yokuba umfundisi or ukuba amaphoyisa, because sometimes kunzona ukuthi umiswe endleleni uhamba ngemoto because usaba amaphoyisa ukuthi kuzothothe amaphoyisa ayifake, especially la ku-N12 ondlula lapha ngase-Davidton emodabi. Nakhona uyuthola ukuthi kunamaphoyisa aprethendayo ukuthi angamaphoyisa. So yonke lento leyo ikubonisa nje into eyodwa ukuthi i-integrity yamaphoyisa isilimele. So elinye icala ke lela asolwa ngalo lo muntu ulimaze isithunzi sama-prosecutor. And then ekugcina engiyibhale phansi is that wa-abuse ipower yakhe or i-authority yakhe as umuntu wase-IDEC or umshushisi omkhulu. The fact that bekumele ngabe uvikela isithunzi samaphoyisa yena wa-protector, okusho ukuthi wa-abuse amandla akhe nalokuthi wathuma iphoyisa ukuthi malihambe luthatha idocket liprinte yonke le information ekwidocket then elinikeza uGeneral Khan. That means wa-abuse ipower yakhe ngokwenza ubugebengu ngenxa yepower anayo. So yonke lento le into achajwa for zona ekade kumele ngabe uyaziphendulela namhlanje, but kuyabonakala ukuthi ungumuntu osasaba ukuziphendulela because one thing for sure, if bekagula noko ekseni bekumele kwayizolo sazi ukuthi umuntu ogulayo angagula ekseni mase kumele eze. I'm sure uregretile ukuthi uzomkhalela because everyone was looking forward to yonke lento le. So asazi ke sobona umese ready. Imadlanga commission ke beyikuvezile ukuthi ayizoyibeka idate yokuthi uzawuphinda abuye nini, instead izawubiqhuba ngabanye. So kusasa we're expecting a witness a different. Then on Wednesday sizobe, on Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, on Wednesday sizobe silinde look at Matlala ukuthi avele kwiMadlanga Commission. Nakhona ngizona-update ukuthi ihamba kanjani into. Ngiyacela ukuthi si-subscribe bakwethu, si-share ivideo, si-like, siphinde sincokole nakuma-comments. Iyanceda kakhulu le nto leyo kimi ukuthi ngihlale ngimotivated ukuthi ngenze lama-video, because asiholi and asitholi ngisho imali yedatha for le nto le. Instead ukuthanda nje ukushare iy'ndaba so that abantu babe informed, bazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ezweni ngolimi lwabo, because sometimes uma lesilungu sesiza ngamandla abanye abantu abezwa ukuthi kusuke kwenzakalani. So that's why I thought ukuthi mangingene nami ngibridge le gap so that abantu bonke babe informed, because abakhuluma ngesilungu sebebaningi kakhulu, and so mangibe ngibridge le gap mina ngolwakithi ulimi. Ngiyabonga bafowethu.